Hi friends, this video shows how to set different notification sound for individual apps on Android mobile phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on settings app icon. Go down, select apps. Tap on apps. So here we can see list of apps installed in this mobile phone. From this list, select one app for which you need to change notification sound. For example, Amazon. So let me select Amazon. Then go down. See here you can see notifications. Tap on notifications. Go down, select notification categories. Then tap on notifications. So here you can see sound section. Tap on sound. So here you can see list of sounds. From this list you can select one sound. This is a default one. So you can select one sound. You can also adjust the volume of notification here. So this way we can set different notification sound for individual app. So let me go back. Similarly we can set custom or different notification sound for other apps in this list. Okay, so please take it.